Good morning, students. In the last session, I explained you about the circle problem set questions. Now, fourth question I given as a homework. Some students only, some no. Very few students they send me the homework. Now, those questions not getting, you can write the answer from this PPT. Now, I am going to explain you the question number fifth. In the adjoining figure, this is a quadrilateral. The quadrilateral and this is a circle which is touching quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, so this parallelogram in a 4 point, that is EFGH. Now in the adjoining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram and it's circumscribed means what? It is internally one circle is there which is touches or touching point, you can say EFGH. So if A is given 4.5, EB is given 5.5, what we have to find out? AD. Now very simple things, parallelogram opposite side are equal, therefore AB is equal to DC. Now what is given? AH is also 4.5. Why? Because AE and AH, these are the two tangents from the exterior point, that is from point A to the circle, which are touching at point E and H, and therefore they are congruent by the tangent segment theorem. Now AH is equal to 4.5, AE is equal to 4.5. According to that, this BF is also 5.5 because B is a point which is exterior and this EF and EB are the two tangent to the circle. Now consider that your DH is X, therefore DG is X and CF is Y, so CG is Y. Okay, by the same tangent segment theorem. Now what is, we know AB is equal to DCY because of the opposite side of a parallelograms are equal, and therefore 4.5 plus 4.5 is equal to X plus Y. So X plus Y is equal to 10. That is, you will get the equation first. Similarly, the second is that, what is the second? Second is that AD is equal to BC. So 4.5 plus X is equal to 5.5 plus Y, and X minus Y is equal to 1. Therefore from first and second, what we can say that after adding the equation first and second, 2X is equal to 10 plus 1, that is 11. So X is equal to 5.5. So now X is 5.5. What is AD? AD is AH plus HD. AH is 4.5, HD is 5.5, and therefore AD is equal to 10 unit. Now in the adjoining figure, circle with the M touches the circle with center N at point T. Radius RM touches the smaller circle at S. Now this is a bigger circle and this is a smaller circle. Both are touching internally at the point. Touching point is T. So S is the point which is touches to the smaller circle. So MR is the bigger circle radius. N is the center of a smaller circle. So what is given? The radius of bigger circle is 9 centimeter. Radius of smaller circle is 2.5 centimeter. So we have to find out these three questions. Very simple. Now join the MT. What we have to find out? MT. So join MT and NS. After joining, what you are observing the diagram? See that your MT is equal to 9 centimeter because it is the radius of the bigger circle. Now NS or NT. This is what? NS and NT are the radius of smaller circle, that is 2.5. And therefore, if you are observing, now MT is 9, NT is 2.5. What is MN? MT is equal to MN plus NT. Therefore, MN is equal to 9 minus of 2.5, that is 6.5. Now we got this. Now last is angle NSM. Obviously that NSM. So S is a point touching, yes, MR is a tangent to the circle of smaller circle because it touches. Therefore this is 90 degree. Now we got this. So we have to find out MS as to SR. MS as to SR. Very simple. By the time Pythagoras theorem, we can easily calculate MN square is equal to NN square plus of MS square. So 6.5 square is equal to 2.5 square plus of MS square, and therefore MS square is equal to, you will, after calculating, you will get the 6 centimeter. It is root of 36. Okay students, and here MR is MS plus SR. So 9 is equal to 6 plus SR is equal to 3 centimeter. So MS as to SR is equal to 2 as to 1 centimeter. In this way you can easily calculate. Now see the question number 7. In the adjoining figure, circle with center X and Y touches each other at a point Z. Okay, a second passing through Z intersects the circle at a point A and B. At the point A and B. This is the second, which is intersect the circle passing through A and B. Prove that radius XA is parallel to radius YB. Fill in the blanks and complete the proof. Very simple. We have to prove these two are parallel to each other. Okay. Now X and Y are the center of a circle. To prove X is parallel to YB, construction, draw the segment XZ and YZ. Now the theorem, by touching the circle point X, YZ are collinear. Okay, these points X, Z, Y are collinear. Now after getting these points are collinear, angle XZ is equal to angle BZY, vertical opposite angle. These two angles are equal. Okay, now segment AXA and XZ are the radii of the same circle. Yes, obviously. Which one? XA and XZ, radii of the same circle. And another is angle XAZ is equal to angle XZA. So XAZ is equal to XZA. Sorry, because the radii is equal, XZ is equal to XA, therefore the angle opposite to XZ and XZ are also equal. Similarly, YB is equal to YZ, and therefore angle ZBY is equal to angle YZB. Okay, so if you are observing that both the triangles are isosceles triangle, by the isosceles triangle theorem, these angles are equal, and therefore we can say that, now see, one angle is equal, other addition is also same. It means that they are congruent. It means that if these angles are equal, it means XA is parallel to YB by the alternate angle test. Very simple concept. Students, now eighth question. In the adjoining figure, circle with the center X and Y touch internally at a point Z. See the diagram. And BZ is a chord bigger circle and it intersects the smaller circle at a point A. Prove that segment AX is equal to BY. Very simple. Join this. After joining, what is given? X and Y are the center of circle. What we have to prove? Prove that question. If asked, then firstly write down the given, then what to prove, and then prove. Okay. For this you will get the half marks, and remaining for you will get the 2.5 marks. If 3 marks it will ask. If 2 marks ask, then according to that you will get the marks. Now after joining this YXZ in triangle XAZ, this triangle XAZ, small triangle, and YBZ. Okay, firstly see the XAZ. XA is equal to XZ because of radii of same circle. So this triangle is isosceles triangle, and therefore angle XZA is equal to angle XAZ. Similarly, now in the triangle YBZ, YB is equal to YZ, is it? And therefore angle YBZ is equal to angle YZB. And therefore XZA is equal to YZA, same angle. Okay, now XAZ is equal to angle YBZ from first and second. Okay, that is by the isosceles triangle theorem. And therefore from first and second we can say that, see now here, why first and second? xyz is equal to xyz. One side is equal, therefore other side is also equal, and therefore xza is equal to y, what is given here, ybz. So instead of xza we are writing xaz because they are equal, and yzb is equal to xza. And so therefore from first and second these two angles also equal, and if they are equal, observe this, xaz is equal to ybz. So these two lines are there, a bz is a transversal, these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, they are corresponding angle, and therefore by the corresponding angle test ax is parallel to by. Now question number 9. This is your homework, students. This homework you have to send me up to session time. Now I want homework from everyone. Very simple concepts are there. Very slowly I am taking, and according to that I am expecting the homework from everyone. So this is the question, diagram for this question, and send me the homework. Okay students.